What's up, everybody? So, if you're trying to use your N64 controller on ROMs in Project 64, and you have that problem where your DeadZone, like your analog stick, isn't really working, it's moving super, super slow, or you can't smash move, or you can't like run in like Smash Brothers or anything, I'm gonna show you how to fix that. So, first you want to go and download this Darkman's plugin. Just type that in the Google. It should be the first link that comes up. Go to Emulator Zone. Download it right here. Darkman's plugin. Alright. So once you have this, you want to go. So I'm going to show you in two folders. This is the version that you probably have if you just recently downloaded it. If you're using Hyperspin like me, you're going to have a folder like this because I use this version for it. Go to plugins, input, the area of the folder, but you want to drag these into here just to show you those are actually those. This one, plugins, drag these into here. I think I already have them in there too again. So that's all you do for that. Now, either they're both the same concept. I mean, really, I'll show you all of them. So your page is gonna be like this. Ignore that because I've tried changing this DeadZone. I've tried everything. Didn't change it. Didn't fix it. You want to go to plugins on this. You want to change this to the Darkman plugin that you just installed on it. Same thing with this one. Pretty much exact same. Go to input, controller, plugin. Change it to Darkman. Okay. When you go to controller plugin now, it should look like this. And you want to make a profile, you're gonna have to set all the buttons up a really annoying way. So like plus new profile, and I don't always push enter and it goes out. Okay, new profile. If you want the buttons, add the buttons, name the button, and then once you name the button, you have to set what the button is. So like A for A, and you click visible because if you don't click visible, like I'll show you. I'll set this one to B, and then we'll switch it to B, and it's false, right? Load up new profile. This will show up here. So you have to click visible. Meow meow meow. You want to take the time and add all those? You can do that. Right. I am just using the default right now. Set the buttons up. The buttons. Key. The buttons. Load the game to show you guys it works now with plugin. There, see, it's still going. I'm using the N64 controller. You can hear it. And there we go. I want Fox. Really? Wow.
Ready, set, go.
And look, I can roll. And I can run.
It's so amazing. Yeah.
Donkey Kong's gonna pick me up.
Oh my goodness.
Playing wimpy level 3s. Dun 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 dun. Wow, he didn't even use his upper.
Pokeball, no!
Hello, Donkey Kong. But yeah, so see it works. Hope this helped you guys, cause it was frustrating. Those plugins should work, but they don't. All right.
Adios, amigos. Da, ba, da,